Denelson says speed can also be an issue. Yep. Yep. Yeah, so here I'd want to remind you guys that neural networks are not fast to train, and they can also be slow at runtime, right? So you guys know that I'm not very bullish on self-driving cars, right? I think that we should be more cautious than we are about them. And this is one of the reasons, because most of those cars, most of that technology does rely on neural networks. And neural networks can have a lag time to them in their responses, right? Obviously, you can fix that with hardware, with the quality of the neural network, the way it's implemented, so on and so forth. But neural networks can add lag to your decisions, to the speed that you need things done at. So yes, Denelson is right. Speed is an issue. Just remember that it's an issue for both the training side and the actual runtime side. Okay. Wael says overfitting and underfitting. Yep. But again, that can happen with any model, though, right? You can overfit a regression model if you try, right? So you're on the right track, Wael, but it's not exclusive to neural networks, right? Let me pick up where this goes again. Yassine says different data types. What do you mean by that, Yassine? I'm not sure I understand that. Because the pre-processing should take care of that, in the sense that you're only going to have one data type, and that's going to be long values, right? Which are usually decimal values. But yeah, so let me know what you mean. You see, maybe I'm just not understanding. Manoj says yes, tokenization converts text into numeric. Yep, absolutely. Very important step in neural networks. Khan says, hey Dennis, how are you? I'm doing great, Khan. How are you? Hope you're doing well. I see you over on Instagram. You're welcome to stay there, or you're welcome to join us on YouTube for the widescreen, okay? I think it's Umair. Umair on my vertical stream is asking, do neural networks have a functional form? Umair, let me know what you mean by functional form. Can you describe that a little bit more? What does functional form mean to you?